Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. I hope you all are doing fine. So today we are going to learn how to install CodeBlocks in Windows 10. But before that, please consider subscribing if you haven't subscribed, and also hit the bell notification button so that you can get the notification of our future videos. So let's get started. So to install the CodeBlocks, first we need to download CodeBlocks, and for that I'm going to the CodeBlocks official websites. Yeah, so this is the CodeBlocks official websites, codeblocks.org, and from here we can see that there is a download option, and I clicked it, and from there are three different options: binary, source and SVN, but we need binaries. But why binaries? Here it's explained that this is the easy way for installing CodeBlocks. Download the setup file, run it on your computer, and CodeBlocks will be installed. So it's the most easiest way. And here we can see we have binaries for Windows operating system, but there are many exits, and which one we need, or which one you need to choose, and why this? So let's see. So this version only includes the ID. It means if you install this version you will get the ID, but what can you do with the ID without the compiler? You can type code, you can save code, but you cannot run code. So basically it's not good for us. It's something like unnecessary things, because without the compiler what we can do. But what about this version? And there is a new word here, Mingw. So let's see what's Mingw. First I will search the word Mingw, and let's see what we find. Mingw, a contraction of Minimalist GNU for Windows, is a minimalist development environment for native Microsoft Windows application. It's very hard word, you know, but let me make it easy for you. So as I have told earlier, we need ID and compiler both, but this version only includes ID, not the compiler. But this version also includes compiler built in. It means you just need to install the file and you will get compiler and ID both. And to run any language you must need compiler for that language. Like if we want to do Java in Eclipse or IntelliJ, you must need JDK, and JDK is a compiler for Java. If you want to run Python in PyCharm or Jupyter Notebook, then you must need a Python environment like Python's official bindings or Anaconda or Meliconda, something like that. In here we also need C compiler, and to make it easier, CodeBlocks also builds a version with compiler built in. Okay, and these are literally same. For these to work you just need to install it, and for this you don't need to install it. You just need to extract a zip, and there will be a CodeBlocks.txt file, and by double clicking you can use it. Okay, so I am going for the installable version here, and you can choose any of them, but I will choose FOSSUP. Okay, so here you can see my download is starting, but I will not download the file because I have already downloaded it. Okay, so let's go for the downloaded file. Here it's 145 megabyte, not so huge. Okay, and you can see that it's the same version that I have told you earlier, CodeBlocks 20.03 Mingw, and also it's in exe format. So let's double click it and let's see what happened. Okay, okay, next. You don't need to change anything here. We can yes, you don't need to change anything here. Okay, you don't need to change the destination folder also. Okay, it's done. Let's open, and here you can see it's already detected GNU GCC compiler because we have chosen the Mingw version and it has compiler built in. So okay, I will choose this option. Okay, so as you can see we have installed CodeBlocks successfully, but let's try to run some code. Okay, so I will run a basic hello world code. Okay, let's save the file anywhere. Okay, so let's try to build it. Yeah, it's working. You see, it's working. Okay, so that's for today. Thanks for watching us. Hit the like button if you liked our content. Share the video with others. Don't forget to give us feedback in the comment section below, and subscribe to our channel now if you are curious to learn new tech ideas.